What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to troubleshoot the screen flickering issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, check if the flickering issue is with your phone or with a specific app. So if you are facing the screen flickering issue in an app, then close that app and open another app to check if the issue is with your phone or with the app. So if the issue is with the app, then you can uninstall the app and reinstall it to fix the flickering issue. But if the issue is with your phone, then to fix this issue, open settings, scroll down and click on display, and from here scroll down and click on motion smoothness. Now if you have set the motion smoothness to adaptive, then set the motion smoothness to standard, and after doing this it will fix your flickering issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings again, scroll down and tap on display, and here you will see a adaptive brightness button. So if you have turned on adaptive brightness, then turn it back off, and after turning off adaptive brightness, it will help you to fix the flickering issue in your phone. So after these solutions, if you are still facing the problem, then another solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon, and after restarting it will fix your small software glitches like screen flickering. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is update your mobile software. So for that, open settings, scroll down, and here click on software update, and then click on download and install to check if you have any pending update of your mobile software. So if there is any update pending, then tap on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software to latest version, your small issues like screen flickering will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.